When you receive our product, you can open this product. This is an instruction manual with multiple languages. There is also a remote control. We can use it to match and program on the Hormann receiver, but a receiver can only be matched with one remote control. If you want to match more, we can take this new remote control to match with the original remote control. We need to first clear the code for this new remote control. Press ST and R&D together, then press R&D 3 times. Clear successful. After successful clearing, we conduct one-on-one matching. Good learning success. If there is a second key, we will equip the second key. Success. This is his matching method. 2 keys can work as before. Of course, if you accidentally remove it, if you want to recover, if you want to restore the original data, just hold down 1 and 3 at the same time. He will be able to recover in 10 seconds. You can recopy it or take it for learning on the host. Thank you.